Hi, Caleb. Are you outside in the snow? Your new snowsuit and your new boots and your new mittens? Oh! It's something hard to walk around, isn't it? What do you think? Can you get up? Can you try and get up? You try. Oh, there's Mookie. Is Mookie gonna give you a kiss? Mookie loves the snow. Say hi, Mookie. Mookie gonna give you a kiss. You want Mommy to help you get up? Here. Here's Mommy's hand. Let me help you. It's hard to move, isn't it? Got your balance? There you go. What do you think? What do you think about this winter wonderland? It's about 4:45 on a Friday, and Caleb is 16 months old. He's getting better at walking in the snowsuit. Whoa! Whoa!